ActiLearn.
Hello and welcome to ActiLearn. Look how captivated and engrossed the child is while doing a transport-related domino activity board game. Isn't that a great way to teach about transport, vehicles, traffic rules and science for kids? At ActiLearn, we have figured out unique ways to get the child to learn, remember and have fun all the way. Our transport kits have fun domino DIYs, traffic cutout cards, road puzzles, 3D vehicles, and real-time models to make the sessions engaging and lively. ActiLearn's Level 2 Transport Kit helps introduce different modes of transport in a fun way. The kit comprises of quiz cards, show and tell books, board activities, and teaching materials. The teaching materials have detailed descriptions of each mode of transport and each vehicle as well. There are innovative board activities that help engage children in group games during class time or at home. Show and tell books are very useful to encourage reading and speaking skills in children. The quiz cards can be used to conduct fun group activities to test the understanding of the subject. Help your children embark on a thrilling journey with ActiLearn. Want to explore more of this kit? Check out the description box to inquire or place orders. Thanks for watching the video and do join our social media community. Like, share and subscribe to our channel.